Congratulations, Mr. Christian Müller,
Thank you.
for the inauguration of our GROB
Thank you.
facility here in near Bangalore. It's a fantastic facility. I wanted to ask you, which is the target area or target segment you would be focusing for GROB machines here in India?
We will start in India with CNC machines, and then later go into the assembly business for e-mobility. Within the CNC machines, we have been already since decades in India. The market is diverse. We have the automotive industry, aerospace, medical, and mold and die. So we have machines basically focused for high production lines, the automotive industry. And as you see here in the back, we have also 5-axis machines which go into very specific applications, which is aerospace, mold and die, and other industries as well.
So here in this particular facility, we are going to be assembling the G350 and 650 only.
We will assembly the 150, 350, 550, and 750. So the complete product line from company GROB. At the beginning, we're going to support with our basic machines coming from Germany. But as we move forward, step by step, we're going to regionalize more and more the CNC machines. The end is within the next 2 years to have a 100% made in India machine to support the Indian market. But we want to emphasize the quality, the design, and the DNA is German.
I also wanted to emphasize upon refurbishing of spindles here in your facility. Is it only applicable for spindles with the necessary brand, or is it applicable for all kinds of spindles you are going to be, having the refurbishing facility besides the GROB spindles?
So the spindle repair shop and strategy is something we have in every facility. When we start with the GROB motor spindles, as we have it in these 2 machines, which you can see here. But we have also other brands installed in GROB machines. And the next stage is also to implement the other machine spindle brands in the GROB machines, and into the repair shop. It's step by step. It grows with the market, but the goal is to repair every spindle we have sold into India, here in India.
Okay. I also hear a lot of thing about German technology being the cost as a factor effects in terms of sales. What do you suggest to the Indian manufacturers, particularly in the EV segment and automobile IC combustion engine segment? Why should why they should not look at machines which has higher performance, higher sustainability than in comparison to a machine which is going to do only the job for?
Let's say you can buy by cost, and then it's a one-time shop, and then you suffer for 10 years. Or you can look for investment plus total cost of ownership during the lifetime of the product. And that's basically how we manage the customer. That's how we basically show how we want to sell. At the end, we have to be cost efficient, but show the lifetime, the cost of the equipment. OEMs, tier ones, and the whole industry, when they come to GROB, for sure they look at the cost, but we try with what we do and how we do to explain the journey. A couple of customers for sure take their own path, but the customers that step on the GROB journey, they normally stay with us. They start with the first investment. They understand the difference in buying a GROB machine with what we do, the quality, the performance, the effectiveness of the output, and then they basically, in the next one, it's much easier to sell. So it's starting a good relationship and then keeping the relationship. We are not looking for 10,000 customers in India. We're looking for those which can work with us in a premium segment, but with a performance vision, with the vision also to increase automation step by step here. And with that type of customers, we have been successful globally, and also will be in India.
2023 is when we last met back in EMO, and at which point I said, are you going to be putting up any sort of a setup back in India? Does it mean within the span of 2 years you're already ready with the setup here in India? How long it had been taken for you to build this factory?
The decision was simple. We basically looked into the global market, and if you look in the regions, it's clear to see that India has a growing potential over the next years. On the GDP, probably double digits per year. It will not stop. Which country in the world is in that space today? No one. It's India. India has 1.4 billion inhabitants, a large country, industry, smart people. people which want to grow, people which want to develop, and a country which wants to build here and wants to export. So it's natural for GROB to take the decision to come to India and build here our 6th production plant. From the day we decided to today, we had 2 years basically putting all this together. We are already in production here in India, and we are already quoting programs with the support of GROB India into the Indian market. So we are definitely fully localized, and we're happy to be here.
So your real push would be in EV segment.
The push is the automotive industry, EV, but the push is also in aerospace, which is very strong here, mold and die, and other segments. We have the full package, and we want to serve the full market.